Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode we're going to talk about how to find the Starfish Cluster, M38, and how to find it. Star clusters, such as the Starfish Cluster, can be quite beautiful. In fact, some of the most beautiful sights in the night sky are star clusters, such as the Pleiades star cluster, which looks like a small version of the Plough or Big Dipper. Others, such as the Hyades, the striking V-shaped star cluster in Taurus, are also quite prominent in the night sky. However, for a star cluster to be truly memorable, it usually needs to have an actual shape to it. Now, this is because star clusters are essentially clusters of stars grouped together in the sky, and some of the best ones actually have some kind of shape you can recognize. And one of these is the Starfish Cluster. It looks kind of like an irregular X, as you can see here. Star clusters are another one of those objects in the night sky that the binocular excels at. This is because they're usually quite large, spread across a large area of the night sky, and a telescope would give a too focused view, not being able to take in the whole of the actual spectacle. However, with a low-powered eyepiece, a telescope should show most of this cluster. Well, let's get on and find out where exactly it is. Okay then, to find the M38 star cluster, you first need to find the highly recognisable Hyades star cluster in the Taurus constellation, and then head up the short distance to the Auriga constellation. At the bottom of the Auriga constellation, you just need to hop up to the M38 constellation, which is almost directly above it. Through binoculars, or a very low-powered eyepiece and a telescope, the Starfish constellation should look something like this. As you can see, it really is recognisable and quite beautiful. Zooming in for a telescope will give you a view more close to this. Well, that's it for another episode. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you'd like to see more astronomy videos, then please do subscribe. Goodbye and clear skies.